Hello everyone, it's Laura. So today I'm going to share an update with my 50 Shades of Green project pan. This is a Fantastic Ladies project and it was created by Jessica, Amanda, and Cece. So for this project we're working on 50 green items, and for this update I was able to finish 4 more. So the first thing I was able to finish was this shampoo from Garnier Frutis, and it was okay. I'm not too picky about my shampoos, so that was fine. The next thing I was able to finish was this Cera foaming facial cleanser. So it says it's for normal to oily skin, and I have dry skin, so I don't really feel like this is meant for me, but even so, it was okay. And I finished the Mitchel Lemon Sage body lotion, also just okay. And the last thing I was able to finish was this Cetaphil Sunscreen. I did not like this at all. So it's kind of like a stereotypical sunscreen, the hard to rub in kind, and then the patches that didn't rub in very well, they like turned to chalk. It was really weird, so I'm kind of all set with that. Now let me show you the rest of the items that I've made progress on. So first up is this baby oil. It's hard to mark, but I have been using it, so I do feel like it's gone down a bit. Although I have been reaching for this aloe a little bit more over that after I get out of the shower. So this was pretty much brand new when I put it in the project. Last update I hadn't used it at all, and now I'm actually down to here. I've been spending a lot of time out in the sun these days, going swimming or going for walks. So I've been putting that on after I get out of the shower. Next I have this face wash from Basis. So I was up here last update, and now I am down to here. So pretty close. And so far I am liking this face wash. It does a good job of getting my makeup off, so I like it. Next is the Cetaphil face lotion, and I actually have not started using this yet. I'm almost done with another face lotion that I'm working on in a different project, and as soon as that one's done, I'll start working on that one. And the last 2 items are my nail polishes. These are extremely slow going. They're both OPI nail polishes, which there's a lot of polish. Like, these bottles are pretty big, 0.5 ounces. Anyway, so this one's in Jade is the New Black. The line really has not gone down that much. I was here the last update, and now I'm there. Pretty slow going. And kind of same thing with this other one. I'm actually wearing this one right now. So I was there, now I'm there. Not really sure if I'm going to be able to get these done by the end of the project, but I'm going to try. Okay, so I'm working on 10 items at a time in this project. So since I finished 4, that means I can roll 4 new things in. So the first thing I'm going to roll in is this body wash from Aveeno, and right now I am right there. So there's some use on it already. Next I'm going to be putting in this shaving cream. So this is from Pure Silk. I think I've used this shaving cream twice, so it's still pretty full. Next, I'm going to be putting in another one of these samples from Mitchel. It's the Lemon Sage body lotion. We have a bunch of these samples kicking around our bathroom, so I'm trying to get through them since they have green on them. So there's that. And the last thing I'm going to be rolling in is this Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. I think I maybe used this once, so it is like literally to the top. Since I've only used it the one time, I don't really have an opinion on it yet. So for next time, I don't think I'll have any trouble finishing this lotion. And this face wash is pretty close to being done. And hopefully I can get started on this face lotion. So maybe 3 rollouts for next update. Okay, so since I was able to finish 4, and last time I was up to 12, that means I have 16 total items finished in this project so far. So 16 out of 50. My goal is to finish everything I put in this project. So, we still have a ways to go. Okay, that's everything. I'll see you next time. Bye!